everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Payal and welcome to my channel. Today I will be using a dupe of a Morphe James Charles palette to create this look, the eye look, and also will swatch all the shades for you to kind of give you some clear idea about the dupe palettes available in India. I have bought this from Flipkart and this costed me around 500 something, 599 to be exact, and the original palette costs around 6,000 rupees, and if you are shipping it from abroad to India, it will include the shipping charge as well, and that will be a lot of money. So if you are a student and if you are not earning money yet, you are looking for a job and your pocket is a little tight because of this lockdown or whatever, so that you can try this palette in 500 rupees and it fits your pocket money as well. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the swatches. The palette looks like this and it has 40 shades all together. You can see the color story. It has a lot of orange, reddish, warm shades. Also it includes some purple and brown. It has some matte shades and some satin shadows, some greens, black, everything. This is the first row, the swatches of the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row, guys, and I have to kind of hold my hand like this because I have swatched it a little high and you will not able to see otherwise. So this is the row where you have seen that big pans, the big round pans, the middle row, the third row. Okay, so it has a black and it has other neutral shades, not neutral, orangish shades and white kind of a shade. This one is matte white and this one is a satin shadow, and also this one is a lime yellow kind of a shade. So with the matte, I have swatched them. I have built the color applying it 2 times, but with the satin shadows, it's really pigmented. One swipe is enough, and with the black as well, it's a matte shadow, so I had to kind of go 2 times. This is the fourth row, guys. And this is the last row, guys. So first I'm going to take this shade from the palette and we'll use P15 from Wet n Wild to apply that. This is a blending brush and we'll take the shadow, we'll apply that right above my crease line to give my crease a little bit depth, though this is a very warm shade, but still it will work as a transition as well as will give my eyelid a little bit depth. So if you feel like you came a little too low with the shade, don't worry, later once you are done you can just use your finger to fix it. Next I'm going to take this shade from the palette and using the same brush I will apply that here. We'll apply that to the outer V area. Next I will be using this shade from the palette, and if you want you can cut your crease and then apply the color. That way it will look more prominent and the pigment will come more intense. But I know some of you really struggle to kind of do the cut crease. For that I will be doing that without doing a cut crease. Directly will go with the shade using my finger. But if you want to learn how to do a cut crease, then I will mention one of my video where I have talked about a cut crease and there I have explained everything. Please go to the description box and check the video out. I hope that will help you to learn a little bit more about the cut crease, and once you try that 2-3 times you will get the hang of doing it and you will also able to do it. Okay, so I'm using my finger to apply that shade to the eyelid. Okay, So what I have realized that this satin shadows in this palette will work better with your finger instead of using brush. Is this one in front of you? I have used my finger and I tried to use a brush in this one, but that did not really work well, so I had to use my finger again. And as you can see, the shadows are not that powdery. There is not a lot of fallout. Yes, you will get some kickback with the matte shadows, but the satin shadows are really good, and they are little soft, but the pigment is really amazing. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette, and using a pencil brush from Sigma, this is E30, will apply that to the outer corner here. Then we'll go back to the same brush, and without taking any shadow in the brush, I will just run the brush over this area to mix all the color together. Next, I'm going to apply my base, primer, foundation and concealer, and we'll skip that, will not show you because I know you all know how to apply foundation and concealer. So after my base is done, I will be back here. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette, and using the same pencil brush, I will apply that to the under eye. We'll apply that very close to the lash band. Next, I will be taking this shade from the palette, and using the same pencil brush, I will apply that only to the outer half. For eyeliner, I will be using this one is from Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. You can take any eyeliner you have. We'll use this shade to highlight the brow bone, and I'm going to take this brush. This is PAC 390. This is a small fan brush to apply that very precisely to the brow bone area. We'll tap the excess because I don't want any fallout. Now we're left with mascara. We'll apply Lala Lash from K Beauty. You can use any mascara you have. If you want, you can go with a pair of falsies as well. First, I will go on top of the lashes like this, so that if there is any fallout of the eyeshadow, they are covered. That was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you and you have got some ideas about the dupes available of this Morphe James Charles palette in India. If you want to invest your money into this, you have got some ideas about the pigment and everything. Please let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you soon in my next video. Before you leave my video, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified every time I post a new video. That will mean a lot to me and I will be positive, motivated into creating. So yes, we'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.